Hi, today we're about to set up these fireworks. Here, look. Guys, the time is finally come. We can do the fireworks. No, Jackson! Jackson, come back in! Jackson, back in! Jackson! Jackson, back in! No, Jackson's in. Alright. Guys, the time is finally here. We could do fireworks. The time has finally come. I'm just setting up. Just opened the box of the fireworks. I can hear fireworks outside. God, guys, God, wow. Dad's just reading instructions. Oh, I can see one up there. Look. Oh, look, I can see one up there. It's so loud outside. That's why I got my ear defenders on as well, because it would be loud when we're doing this. Oh, Jackson! Alright. Jax, he's here. Jax is here.
I'll be out in 2 seconds.
Jackson, how Jackson's not scared? We're gonna do it, but we just wait a few minutes setting up the fireworks because
Just wait for me to come out. Give me about 5 minutes left coming. I just want to get with him.
we are gonna do it. Don't worry, be patient. I'll do something. I just can't wait. I'm excited. We've never done this before. It's the first time doing this. I can hear fireworks outside. It's crazy. We got the Jester fireworks. I think. Where is it again? Okay. So we've got the Jester fireworks, the Whiz Bang fireworks, and the sparklers. Okay, Jester fireworks, Whiz Bang, and sparklers. I'm just. I wonder what they sound like. I'm excited. I'm a bit nervous. I'm excited and nervous at the same time because I'm nervous. I'm actually nervous at the same time. Jackson, come back in if you want. Jackson, come back in. Look. Jackson. Guys, I'm just so nervous and excited at the same time. Look, I can see. Fireworks. We're about to do it ourselves. I bet you're looking forward to this because I bet you always want us to do this. Now we're doing it. Now we're finally doing it. Alright, we're gonna finally doing it. We're gonna be about to set up the fireworks. What? Do you have gloves? Okay, but don't be too long because the video's 5 minutes already. So it's Jackson to stay there. But at least just don't run off Jackson. That's it. That's it, Jackson. We're still doing the fireworks. It's 6 PM. And the 5th of November, which is bonfire night. Sunday. Ooh. I can't wait. I'm nervous. I'm excited because we're gonna do it for the first time, but I'm nervous because we haven't done it before. This is it. Ah! Dad's gonna get his gloves. I'll wear my hat, scarf, and gloves, and green coat. I'll wear my ear defenders because those bands is going to be loud, so just be patient. I'll wear ear defenders. Bob's is going to be coming as well, so just have to wait. Don't know, I'll have to. Just can't wait! First time doing this. Fireworks. Let's go! Haha! I'm just waiting for Dad to calm down. I can hear fireworks, of course. I wonder when Dad will come down. We're still gonna do it. We're doing it, right? Mum's about to come out. Yes, Dad got his gloves. Let's go. We're about to do the craziest. The wait's almost over. Wait's over. Okay, look and see. Dad's opened the fireworks. Guys, Dad's opened the fireworks. We're about to do it. We've got sparklers as well. I don't know. I think we might do that at the end. I don't know. If we either start them with sparklers or fireworks. Tissue. Oh god. I wonder what Dad's doing now. I bet he's gonna bring the fireworks outside. But Dad's holding the Jester ones, look. I think we're doing the Jester ones first. The Jester. I think that's the first fireworks we're doing. And then next is Whiz Bang. That's crazy outside. And then Sparklers is probably the end. I would want the end to be Sparklers. Oh, God, wait! Dad's going outside. Here we go. You don't know how to do it. Oh, Jackson.
No, he can't be out here.
Jackson, no.
He's not.
Jackson, are you sure you want to go out? You do think it's a bit too loud? Okay, but Jackson, be careful. What? Yeah? Watch on. Alright, here we go. Guys, I'm nervous. Shall I go closer? don't want to go too close because Jackson, don't get Jackson to have it. Right, I think I'm up to that bit. Jackson. Hopefully Jackson can deal with the fireworks. And Jackson, don't go too crazy. Just don't let Jackson to get the firework. Just don't. Because Jackson's outside as well, I'm surprised. Bob's got his coat on. I've got mine. Bob's gonna. Here we go! Okay, we'll wait for Mum, so. Recording it. Alright, so I'm gonna just edit the video here, then I'll do a part. Yeah. No, shall I continue recording? Yeah, I'll continue recording. You have to put fire. So I'm still going to be recording it. Let's do this!
Jackson, what are you doing?
Jackson, just let it not go near to that firework. I was hoping Jackson could deal with that noise. So crazy up there. Are you ready? Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Jackson's inside, alright. Alright, guys.
I just got to give you up your pastas.
Just get ready, guys. As Dad's opened the lock bang. Dad's opened the Wids Bang ones.
I've had time, I'll do that.
Should we do these afterwards?
Yeah, the sparklers should be the end. The sparklers should be the end, Dad. I just want the actual fireworks to be first. Jackson, just be careful.
Right, let me have a look at what I'm used to is
You're all ready.
So, all ready, set.
Ready, set, go!
surely stay in there.
Yeah, but
Does that stay in there?
Yeah.
that's why you've got to watch the. I think we should watch the video. Just don't do anything actually, because you might let it off now.
Oh.
No, I'm just scared because they're dangerous. You need to. I think we should watch the video. Innit? What's the what they called? Whiz.
Whiz Bang.
I think you just light it.
Actually, oh yeah, you put it in the ground. Okay, let me just find out. I'm just gonna.
Come on, let's do this.
I'm not open. I'm not going
Yeah.
Just leave it for now. We've got to deal with the Jester ones first, and then the Whiz Bangs afterwards. The sparklers the end.
when I do it.
Here we go!
You need to put these in the ground first.
Okay, I'll take up out.
You can't do it yet. I've got to put these in the ground.
Oh, so you still got to wait. Oh, quite a few minutes. Still record the bit of the fireworks. Just can't wait for that bit. Okay.
Right on it.
Right, so I'll turn it off. Jackson. Just be careful. It's Mum outside. Getting prepared. They're getting prepared for the big. Oh, Mum's outside. Mum's outside.
I'm just thinking to myself, is there no
Hey, okay. Oh, everyone's outside now. Jackson's outside. Oh my God. Okay, so we all outside now. Jackson's outside, Mum's outside, Dad's outside, and I'm outside. So we're all gonna be. Even Jackson's gonna be out there. I want. Oh God. Hey! God, how you can take pictures of this? Just look at the fireworks. It looks cool.
Jackson, you might have to get Jackson.
Jackson,
Jackson, you've got to go inside.
Jackson, come inside. I don't think Jackson's gonna be in because he's going. Jackson in. Sorry guys, but Jackson can't be out. I think Doc's gonna be scared of fireworks, as well. So just shut the door. It's a bit sad. Jackson's not out, but I just don't like. That's the guess. It's just me, Mum, and Dad. What? Nothing's wrong.
Did the lightning, I don't understand it. I know, but your dad knows what he's doing, but I don't. Actually, just be careful with the cat. Just stay.
Sorry. I've already got the torch on, so I won't have to put it on.
If we're not too sure, I'd just rather not, because I don't want to do anything that's good.
No, real, because I don't
It's
want.
dangerous. Some of it's going to be really dangerous if we do it. There's no videos or anything.
No, it should be still alright. You just have to stand back quickly.
Just do that.
Stand back.
Uh,
What's the easiest one here?
Well, I'm going back.
Stand more back.
What, are you doing the firework now? We're just testing it.
That's too. I just maybe not.
Come on. Here we go.
Josh, you're too near. Are you too? Huh?
Come on, just test it. Oh my God.
Oh my God, that's
What the fuck? That was scary. I'm still scared even though I've got my ear defenders on. Oh,
Don't pull it near the fence or anything near.
that was scary.
Just.
We're doing it again. Oh, go again. I'm scared. No way! Record it.
No, I'm too scared.
No, record it. Just
That's
record it.
scary.
Record it this time. No, record it in your phone. I'm recording it.
Yeah, put it in the same place because I don't want to move it anywhere else. Yeah, so it's not.
Can you record it?
Don't
Record
it near there.
Record it in your phone.
No,
Come on.
I'm not.
Go on, do it.
I could try it, but I'm just really scared.
Come on, do it. This is. I'm
It's
not
like a
scared.
rocket. You're not scared.
I'm not scared. You do it. Here we go again. The third time. Wait for it.
I've got no shoes. Just get caught with the crossbars.
Oh.
shit.
Oh no. Oh. Oh. Come on, record it. Do it.
No,
Come on.
I'm scared.
No, come on, do
Alright, let me
it.
just check the food. Give me 2 seconds.
That was crazy. I had to put my ear defenders on. I'm still scared. crazy. You're scared. No, we still got more fireworks. It's not it. We're still getting more fireworks. No, it's just check on the food and we'll come back out. Alright? Okay? Okay, wait. No, she's not scared. She's just checking on the food. Come back out.
Yeah, I'll come back out. I'm just going to get myself a drink because I haven't had a drink since I got up and so I'm happy to
Hey, Mum's coming out soon. Mum will be coming out. Mum will be coming out. Mum, are you ready?
Huh?
Mum, are you ready?
Huh?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. I've recorded it on both phones, so I'm going to try my best. Mum's watching it. Even though he's watching the window, he's still... Alright, here we go, here we go. Oh! We still got one more. Mum's outside.
Huh? We gone now. Is that gone?
Jackson's outside as well.
Jackson, come back in. There you go.
Do you know watch, Mum? Do you know watch? Out the window.
Yeah, can you give me a minute?
Oh. Ready? You ready? Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh, oh my God. Oh! No!
Smell was over here.
Okay, it smells, it smells, it smells.
I'm scared to do the next ones though.
We're not done with the fireworks yet. We've still got to do the whiz bang. I don't know if that's going to be louder. You ready? Come on, give it a try. Oh! I wonder what happens. What? Right, here we go. Right. Oh.
Step back, Josh, come here.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh!
Oh shit.
Oh!
Oh shit. Oh, see that smoke?
Oh my God, it's a bit smoky as well. Oh God, it's a bit smoky. That was a crazy firework. Oh, here we go.
Ow! Shit.
Oh!
Oh, so good at it, Josh.
Oh!
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Is that one dangerous?
Are you scared? No.
Oh, it
Don't
sounds
be
like
scared.
it sounds like the noise sounds like it's gonna.
Bob, record it.
Go on, don't be scared.
No, let me
Record
just
it.
let me just make myself a hot drink. I haven't had any drink since this morning. So.
never done this before. Never.
Right. Where? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Hold your phone. Record. You hold your phone to record.
I'm gonna have a drink since I've got up.
You hold
I
your
think
phone.
that's why I was dying inside.
Hold your phone
Have
to
you ever done this before?
No,
That.
never done. I don't think my dad can do that. My dad said he did it when he was younger. I don't think he. Oh, we just eat so much.
I'm not supposed to turn the light off. You can record as well, okay?
Oh, it's very dark.
You can turn the torch on like me.
How do you turn the torch on?
It's on the side. Dad's about to do it, so
Pass my phone.
okay.
Step
How's
back.
the torch in the phone here?
You got my phone?
Look, this is your phone.
Oh. Alright, you might have to step back now.
Record as well, okay? You don't have to turn the torch on. Look, Dad's got the torch on already, so you don't have to do it now.
You got a good enough light? I might have a better light. I've got
Record, okay? Mum, record.
You can borrow this one, my brother's one. Step back.
Record, Mum. This time I'm gonna be taking pictures. All right, here we go. Here we go. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Oh, that's wicked.
Got one more.
One more, and then we can do the sparklers.
How can I film? I've got a cup in my hand.
You can't film it, like.
Oh, it's gas before I drink.
Right, here we go again. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, God.
Ooh!
So good, isn't it?
Ooh!
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's get the spark.
Right, now it's the time. Now we've done the fireworks. Next thing is to do the sparklers. Let's go! Go on, go, the fireworks! But I'm definitely posting this to YouTube. Let's go! Let's go! Oh, that's got the sparkles. Right.
Just do something over there.
Oh God. What?
I'll get away from you guys.
Okay.
Ready? I'll do mine.
I need to record. I need to put this phone here for the sparkles. Right, stay tuned. I'll hold the sparklers. I'll try and hold it.
Go on.
Right, today
you
is
want a
sparklers
sparkler?
time.
Do you want a sparkler?
Sparkler?
Yeah.
I'm a bit scared, but let's do this.
Just do Joshua's. Do it away from you a minute. Yeah, do it like that.
Like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
God. Oh. Hey! Oh God. Got circle. Okay, go show it to the camera. Guys, show it to the camera. I'm trying to make a circle. Hey!
Hey.
Hey! Firework night!
Yep.
You want to see some more fireworks? Oh, God. Oh, ah, oh.
Hey.
Hey! Let's go rid of it.
Where's
Okay.
mine?
This one.
Oh,
Okay.
what am I gonna do this?
I don't know.
Flipping, I can't. Oh,
Just drop your phone. Come on, quick.
Jackson can come out.
no, he shouldn't come out. I don't think.
Quick, one. Before my stuff. Alright, show it to the camera. So you know. Show it to the camera.
Oh, wait.
Mum, in this camera. Show it in this camera. Come on.
When you finish with it, we should have got a bucket really to put water in it with the water.
Oh yeah.
Mum, you're not showing it.
We could
Here.
get container or something. I could
Oh,
get a
mine
container.
burnt.
You know,
Look.
the Chinese
And the
one.
water. Oh, well,
Put some water in it.
It's hot ashes. Keep it away from the house, Jack.
Yeah. So what do you
Okay.
do when it's finished? You just.
We'll put it on the floor.
Oh yeah.
Here.
That's wicked.
Let's do
Oh,
it
that's
again.
amazing.
And then we'll...
Let's
Oh,
do
this
it
is
again.
amazing. That is. Oh,
Man,
wicked.
I'm always, I don't know.
Josh, I'll put you in a what?
Normally I was scared. Can I hold two this time?
Yeah, I'll try.
I'm gonna. This is gonna be more. I'm gonna hold two
So
this
you
time.
had a good time.
What?
Have you
Yeah.
had a good time.
Yeah, I'm definitely showing to YouTube, TG, and every other net.
Alright, take that one.
I'm gonna try and hold two.
So when you finish, what do you do then? You just put them on.
Circle.
Bloody lighting, man.
So I'm quite cute in there, sparkly things.
Try a few more moments. Okay, now. Here we go.
It's been... I've never done fireworks before.
I know. It's the
Hey,
first
boy,
time.
Daddy's done it. Oh,
When I first done it, I was like,
Josh, can't wave it
they're
about too
better
much.
than I thought, actually.
Josh, don't wave it about too much.
okay.
They're better than I see.
Oh, God.
Oh, good one.
Don't smell that.
Just keep wiping your face, yeah. Not when she burn out, quick she'll make that. They'll all burn out. That was burn out.
It's one sparkler.
Yeah, just put it here. Put it all together because we have to put them all aside.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
I'll have it.
On my sparkler. Woo! Circle. No! Oh no! Oh, Dad, my sparkler's gone. Why is my sparkler?
I'm on. Oh, it's got what extra paper that was like
Can I use your lighter, Dawn?
Yeah, my light's better. It's a clip. Well, it's actually George's light that we left those. This was dying and then it's come back.
Them fireworks were good, weren't they, Jack?
Yeah.
Mm.
Did you
They
get
were good.
scared?
Yeah, I was at first.
I was scared at the start, but
I was at first, but I think I'm okay.
Is that why you went inside?
Mum, I was
No, because I want to check on the food.
Mum, I was scared.
I was gagging for a drink.
Mum, I was scared at the start. I think
I was a little bit scared, but I'm
I
alright.
think Josh would really like it.
That's good. I'm so happy for it. This is exactly what
You're going to do it every year, right?
yeah.
This is so amazing. This is what makes me happy. Josh, you wanted this.
Okay, show it all to the camera, Mum. Into the camera. Dad, show it all. Come on.
Just like to say
Hey!
happy bonfire night.
Happy bonfire night. Shout
Does
happy,
anyone want another one?
shout happy bonfire night.
Happy bonfire.
All of you, all of you.
Happy bonfire night.
Happy bonfire. Okay. And us. Okay, okay.
I just don't want
Okay,
Jack
so
to
when
die.
we say it, we're gonna all say happy bonfire night, and then we can cheers the sparklers, okay?
I know Jackson
Okay.
will be
Wait,
okay with it, but it's
Let's
not
check
that
it works.
quite dangerous because he'll run into it.
He's probably not even scared. He was just
No.
messing about.
I know, but the thing is, if there's sparkers going off, you can look into it. It's just a health and safety thing. I just don't want him to get.
Happy
not working.
bonfire night.
Oh,
Yeah, take
it's
that.
not working.
No.
Oh, it's actually run out.
My sparkler's
Oh,
gone.
actually, it works. Actually,
this one's
it is. Actually, it's working, but it's not very good.
Smart.
Actually, look. Actually, look. It does work.
Hold on.
Clipper one does work. Yay! I love sparkler.
What about my sparkler? It's gone again. My sparkler's gone, so I need to give this one.
Yeah. Yeah,
Sorry,
just hold
Josh.
the button.
I'll put it in his face.
You go, people
Let's
put
try and light it.
stuff
Let's see if
together.
I can
I
light
can get
it.
a plastic bag and
Yeah,
just
put them on the floor.
Yeah, to recycle.
Don't stand on them.
They're just to be recycled.
Let me see if I can get them.
Oi! 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 Haha!
I think they'll be alright to put them in the recycle bin. Recycle bin.
Here you go. Go on, drink this one.
Yep.
Okay, now
I
do.
think that's them all now.
Yep. Okay.
Is that all?
Well, Josh.
Not all. You still got this pack. You still got one more pack though.
No, we do, because on the light now, it's a bit. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
You still got to do the last pack. Come on.
It's just, I don't know.
Happy bonfire night.
Happy bonfire night.
We should. Okay, we should all shout it.
Shall I try and light it from that? Let me
not
see
sure
if I can
if
light
you
it
could
from
do that.
this. Let me see if I can light it from this.
I'm sure you can. I've seen people do it.
Oh, you can.
Of course
Oh,
you
it
can.
is, you can.
Oh yeah, that's sick.
Okay,
Of course you
this
can.
all
time.
shout happy bonfire
Well, it
night.
kind of makes sense. You can.
Okay, everyone shout happy bonfire night.
Happy bonfire
bonfire
night.
Happy bonfire night.
night.
Okay, let's do it again.
Josh.
Okay, here we go. Alright, everyone shout happy bonfire night.
Happy bonfire night.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
To the camera.
Be
Cheers.
careful, you don't need it.
Cheers.
Okay, happy bonfire night. Shout.
Happy
Happy
bonfire
Happy
night.
bonfire
bonfire night. Cheers. Here we go to the camera.
Sorry, don't let people see
Right,
it.
do one this one.
And we can't touch each
Yeah,
other.
take it.
Oh,
Yeah, take it.
Happy bonfire night.
the bottom.
You can have that one.
You hold the bottom, don't you, Joshua? That's it. Yeah, you just hold the bottom. So you good? I'm just out about health and safety. It's good because I was scared, but it's actually going really
Happy
well.
bonfire night.
Happy Everyone shout happy bonfire night.
Oh.
Okay, everyone.
So you've got too much
Okay,
food.
alright, let's say it properly. And everyone, to the camera, go to the camera. Everyone go to the camera, Mum.
Happy bonfire night.
Okay, and Dad, Mum, and me, let's say happy bonfire night. Shout 3, 2, 1. Happy bonfire night. Cheers.
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 Woo.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Woo.
Oh, it's amazing.
This is good, isn't
It's
it?
definitely like a celebratory
Pull
thing.
it over here. It was good, wasn't it? Oh, what's
Salmon.
the
Okay.
oven?
Salmon. Yeah,
Tomato.
thank you. Yeah. Okay, you hold it. Happy bonfire night.
Happy bonfire night.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, be careful.
Oh, is that all the sticks?
Yep.
Oh, that's one.
That was.
Well, we're
It was
almost,
fun, wasn't it, Josh?
we're almost done with the fireworks video.
We wish that.
It's the last sticks and then we're finally done with the crazy fireworks video.
Happy bonfire
Happy
night.
bonfire night.
See you guys next time.
Oh, here you go. And
Happy bonfire night.
your stick is still going. Oh, you only got one more stick. Shall I hold the
Yeah,
stick?
we'll hold
Okay,
it.
I'll hold the last stick. For me, happy bonfire night. And
Just put it there. When
there
you
goes the last stick. That is all gone now.
Yep, it was very fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, just put it there. That's it. Good.
That was crazy.
It was very good.
We'll have to do it again next year. And we need to get more fireworks this time. There we go. Right, let's go back in. Oh. That's all the fireworks for
That's
today.
amazing.
Josh has seen all of them.
I'm so happy. Good.
Fun, though.
That was fun.
I know.
I'm a chicken. I'm such a chicken. I'm scared about health and safety.
Oh,
It turns out it's not really difficult, really.
I enjoyed that firework video, man. Wow.
It was good. It was a success tonight. I'm very happy. Very happy. One of the things that you'll all remember for our.
We're going to do it every year.
Yes, let's do it every year.
Absolutely. I'm so happy we've done it. Actually, thanks for
Yeah.
trusting in yourself.
Oh, we finally done the
Very
fireworks.
cleverly.
That's all the fireworks for today.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's fucking amazing.
That's my own.
It's amazing.
That was good, wasn't it, Josh?
It was. Oh, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, but that was just probably crazy video, craziest one of the craziest videos of Craziest TV. I'm just glad we dealt with it.
I don't know why. It's just so weird because I've seen people do fireworks or I've been to exhibitions and I've seen it. So I don't know what I was particularly scared of.
Oh, there's more fireworks there.
Up and it just goes up. I'm just thinking, what am I scared of? It's alright, it's okay. No.
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, but the fireworks are still going outside. And bye. It was crazy.
Too late. So I thought I'm going to put the dinner on the time I did. It's time to get some. Imagine you're doing dinner after, Josh. Yeah. You have to wait another 2 hours.
Alright guys, I'm going to end the video now, but it was a crazy video. And bye, I guess.
Josh, you look for the salmon.
I hope you enjoyed the video.